This is my certificate that certifies that I have successfully completed Python certification course. Hello and welcome to Let's Learn with Umar. Today our topic is Python chapter 4. It's called Giving Input to the Program. Let's see how we can take input from the user in Python. Giving input to a program. Input to brackets is used in Python to take inputs from the user. Just like print to brackets, input to bracket is also a built-in function. My input var equal input. One bracket, comma, enter any number, a semicolon, a comma, and a bracket. My input var is the variable which will store the value entered by the user. The input function accepts a string that will be shown on the user when called. The output of the program will look like enter a number, besides which a user can enter a value. For example, the user writes 50. If we add print my input var to brackets after the previous code, the program will return the value of my input var in the output window. Adding two numbers. What will you do if someone asked you to add two numbers? You will ask them to provide two numbers, say 5 and 6. Perform the addition operation. For example, calculate 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11. Tell them the result, which is 11. We do the same thing when writing program to add two numbers. Let's write a program which takes two numbers as inputs from the user and adds them. The program also must print the result to the screen. What do we need? Number 1. A variable to hold the first number. Let's call it number 1. Another variable to hold the second number. Let's call it number 2. A third variable to store sum of number 1 and number 2. Let it be sum. Number 4. Input two brackets and print two brackets functions. Number 5. Plus operator to perform addition and equal operator to store the result. Input. We will be using the code below as our input. Note: When we accept input from the user using input two brackets function, it is in string form. Thus, here in this example, to add two numbers, so we will need numeric type. Therefore, we will need to convert it to the numeric form. We use int two brackets to conform to integer and float brackets to convert to float. The output will be in the enter first number, it will be 5, and enter second number, it will be 4. So in the third line, it is written 9 as the answer. To summarize, we learned input two brackets is used to take user's input. Also, we learned how to utilize values stored in variables to perform operations and print the result to the screen. Which function is used to take input in Python? Is it in two brackets, input two brackets, cin two brackets, or I brackets? The answer is input two brackets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friends.